What we're going to go over next is called a kneeling hip flexor stretch. Purpose of the exercise is to loosen up the muscles on the front of the hip and the thigh. We often give this to our patients they might have knee pain or even some hip and low back pain or issues. So what Kyle's going to do here, we have a blue foam on the ground here. We have that there for just for comfort to kneel on. There's also a table next to him, again, for a little bit extra stability. If you're someone who might have some difficulty getting up and down off the ground, or you just feel the need to have some more stability, you can use a table or something stable for some support. Both the foam mat and the table are totally optional. You don't need to. And again, this is for folks who are comfortable kneeling on their knee versus the other stretch we did where you can do it with your leg hanging off the bed. All right, so what we're going to do is you're going to kneel as shown here. Kyle's kneeling on the side that he's stretching, so he's doing the right side here, and he's got his other leg, that foot, far enough in front of him so that his knee is at about a 90-degree angle. And what he's going to do is just kind of tighten his core a little bit, so both his buttocks and his core, he's going to stiffen those up a little bit to keep his spine in a good neutral position, and then he's going to just kind of reach or bring his hips forward until he gets a good stretch on the front of the thigh, and then hold for 30 seconds or so. And we usually advise our clients to repeat this about 3 times for a total of a minute and a half, maybe up to 2 minutes. Just want to point out something real quick. Sometimes we'll see folks do 1 or 2 things that we don't like. They don't really stabilize the core, and then they kind of lean forward like that. That's not something you really want to do. You want to, again, brace the core and your butt, keep that pretty stable, and then just kind of bring that hip forward until you feel that stretch. So this is called a kneeling hip flexor stretch.